Okay, this is my 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and I just got it from a dealership with 9 miles. It currently has more than that, but after a week or so, I got a strange squeaking noise from the front end of the passenger side, and whenever I push down, it does that squeaky noise. I already took it to a dealership twice. First time they said it was a skid plate. Continued doing that, and then we drove it around without the skid plate. You could still hear it. The second time around, they just lubed it. They lubed everything, took off the tire, and now a couple of days later, it's still doing the squeaky noise. Really don't know what to do. Don't have an exact thing to work on. Like, I don't know if it's like coming from the bushings or the shock, that strut, or from where exactly, but there's just like some squeaky noise.